There is a wide range of applications where 8 and 16-bit microcontrollers are used, and in order to meet the various requirements of these different applications, customers are faced with various challenges. For example, the need to add external components, power consumption issues, response time to system events that do not meet requirements, and difficulty in reducing board size. The new logic and event link controller in the RL78 G23 allows various system signals to be connected in combination with any logic function, allowing flexible customization of functions according to system requirements. The ability to control the operation of peripheral functions without involving the CPU reduces system power and shortens the response time to events. Furthermore, no additional external components are required, and the degree of freedom in assigning functions to the pins allows the board to be designed with a layout best suited to the customer's system, contributing to system miniaturization. The Event Link Controller, installed in earlier versions of the RL78 family, the best-selling product in the 8 and 16-bit MCU market, functions to directly link the interrupt signal as the activation trigger of a specified peripheral. Since it can control the activation of the peripheral function without intervention of the CPU, fast wake-up of the peripheral and lower power consumption can both be achieved. The new Logic and Event Link Controller function of the RL78 G23 allows customers to select not only interrupt signals, but also peripheral function signals, such as timers and serials, as event signals. Customers can also select event signals to be peripheral input signals, and the operating condition of the event can be arbitrarily created by the logic circuit. Customers can thus flexibly set the function according to the application's requirement. The logic functions supported by the Logic and Event Link Controller consist of 3 logic cell blocks, each consisting of 2 logic gate blocks, a selector, and 2 flip-flops. Each logic cell block can either be configured to function independently or combined with multiple blocks by selecting the output of each block as the input of another block. Let's take a look at a function that can be realized using the Logic and Event Link Controller. With the function to prevent chattering of terminal input signals generated by switch inputs, etc., any chattering prevention period can be set by a timer without involving the CPU. In addition, the function to change the input-output ports of peripheral functions allows the user to set the optimal pins for the customer's board layout. In this way, the Logic and Event Link Controller enables functions that were previously carried out by the CPU to be performed without involving the CPU and without adding external components, thereby reducing power consumption and response time, and also contributing to board miniaturization. The functions that can be realized with the Logic and Event Link Controller are compatible with the Smart Configurator and are provided as function extension files. By downloading the Logic and Event Link Controller's functional extension file from the Renesas website and importing it into the Smart Configurator, the input signal, logic combination, and link destination for the function to be added can be selected from the pull-down menu on the GUI for easy code generation. Please refer to the Renesas website for more detail.